channel. Happy Monday. I just come on here real quick because I wanted to let you know what you're going to see tomorrow, and you'll see this guy throughout the week. I just got through, I bought these paper clips you saw in Saturday's video. I bought the paper clips to rust, and then I went online. I looked up a recipe for how to rust paper clips or whatever, and I got the recipe for vinegar and a little bit of water and some hydrogen peroxide if I wanted to speed it up. This has been in here about 20 minutes and you can already see the rust forming. So I stirred it around once and you can see it's just going to get darker and darker. So I'm going to keep an eye on these. These I'm going to just get them done. I've always wanted to do the rusted paper clips and I've never actually done it. So I'm going to leave those soak for, I don't know, for however long it takes to get them rusted. And then I'm going to do some stuff with those. So right now I'm going to set these aside someplace reasonably safe. And then let me tell you what we're going to do throughout the week. So tomorrow, Tuesday, you're going to see the watercolor and this old medical dictionary go to work for us. We're going to do some page trims. We're going to do some different things with it and have some fun there. Right now I'm just setting my paper clips aside and I'll bring you back to those tomorrow. So if you want to craft along, get you a dictionary or something that's got relatively thin pages and that is okay to bend, that it hasn't gone brittle on you. And I'm going to be using this. Ruth will be here tomorrow at 8:30. I don't know who Ruth is, but this is the old medical dictionary. So look at this. All kinds of stuff I'm finding in here. We're just going to have to put it in a journal. So I'm going to do a few things. This is awesome stuff right here. I'm going to destruct it and I'm going to do some collaging, some page trims, some different things with it. Because I'm trying to reduce the amount of stuff I have. And I thought this might be good because it is thin and we can make page trims with it first. And so all you'll need for that is some water to rinse your paintbrush and watercolor, paintbrush, old book, and enough water and we're just going to paint. And I'm going to do pastels. I'm going to do the real bright pastels on this one. And then when we're done with it, we're going to come through and we're going to stamp. So stick around for that. That's coming out tomorrow. And then on Thursday, not sure yet exactly what we're going to do, but I'll show you the rusted pens tomorrow, and then I'll show you the rusted pens on Thursday. All right, guys, we're off to a great week. So I hope you'll stay around and stay tuned to see what the diva is going to bring you. Bye for now. Thank you so much for crafting with the diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.